tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me. You loved me.
It's Tayshawn Miller, and it is nighttime here in my home, but I have a lot of videos and stuff that I have to get out, so I will be not whispering but semi-whispering so you guys can hear. So let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So I was contacted by this company to do a review for their clip-ins, and these are clip-ins now that I've had in a little bit over 2 weeks from a different company. I will link the video so you guys can check out these clip-ins, but I absolutely love these clip-ins. I did a big chop, and this is how my hair has been growing out. I haven't shown you guys when I did my big chop because my hair was just so short. It was just like about that long. So now it's grown out. I'm using my growth oil. For those of you that know about my growth oil, look where my hair is now. So I'm definitely happy about that. So yeah, I've been rocking these clip-ins. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package. And I haven't, of course, seen the hair yet, hence the reason I'm opening the package now. And I've worked with this company a couple of times before. So the company is Amazing Beauty, you can see here. And they sent me 2 boxes. And let's just go ahead and open it up. So inside is a thank you card, which is glaring with my ring light. And oh, this color is so pretty. Oh my God, this color is so pretty. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys all the goodies. Oh wow. I didn't get these goodies the last time they sent clip-ins. Actually, the last 2 times they sent clip-ins. So you just get this little pamphlet. Y'all can't see the pamphlet, sorry. But I like these clips. These are the, they're like the strong, wait a minute, what is this? Oh, that is the clip. I was trying to take it apart. So that is the clip. So they gave me one of these. Wait a minute, let me make sure it's one. I don't want to break it. Yeah, it is one. I don't know how you use that, but you see that? Like it, I don't know, like this lifts up and it, I don't know, but it looks sturdy. They gave me a rat tail comb, and it says Amazing Beauty. It has their logo on there. A nice rat tail. Oh, that's worse. A nice rat tail comb. Some extra clips. And the actual clip-ins. Now, hold on, guys. Let me see if it tells me what inch. Okay, so it says, hello, gorgeous. Thank you very much for your order. We know I didn't order. They sent these to me. Amazing Beauty is an experienced manufacturer in the hair industry, but also a new store on Amazon. Your order will be great motivation for encouraging us to grow better. We will aim to improve your hair quality, design, and service to be better for our esteemed clients like you. Just enjoy your amazing beauty hair. Any questions, feel free. So this is the Kinky Straight, and then it just tells you how to care for it. But I want to know, oh, here it is here. So it says clip-in extensions, Kinky Straight 20-inch, Ombre black to dark wine. Y'all see this color? Oh yes, baby. And just to let you know, I will be clipping these clip-ins on top of my braids that I have. I'm going to take this style out and put these in. So here is the hair. Oh my God, the hair is so pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. Yes. So, I'm going to go ahead and show the clips. And I don't need to open the other box because apparently it's exactly like this box here. Y'all, I'm feeling this color. Yes, yes, honey. So I have one with 4 clips on there. And apparently, since I have 2 boxes, then I have 2 with 4 clips. So that's one. I have one with 2 clips. Another one with 2 clips. One with 3 clips. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, it's so soft. Another one with 3 clips. Yeah, I'm feeling this hair. I'm excited. Then another one with just 2 clips. And then one with 1 clip. Okay, so all of this will be doubled. Apparently I will have 2 with 1 clips. I'll have 4 with 3 clips. I'll have 6. Wait, yeah, I lost count. How many came with 2 clips? So yeah, so I have 3 with 2 clips. So I have 6 with 2 clips. And then I have 2 with 3 clips. So I have 4 with 3 clips. And then I have 1 with 4 clips, so I'll have 2. And then 1 clip, so I have 2 of that, okay? So, as I said, these are already clipped in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unclip these out. I'm going to play some music. My hair is just pretty much like whatever. Just wanna show you guys the clips because I'm getting ready to do a whole wig. So I'm not leaving this in my hair. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, what it looks like or whatever. And like I said, these are clip-ins, so I'll be back, so just enjoy the music.
What happened to the love that we once knew? How young people rob, they still they shoot. Never think about the family that they left behind. The streets got their heart, devil got their mind. And they don't wanna hear the truth when the bills due. All they thinking in their mind is what was you? When my granny was my guardian and mom's gone. Pop addicted to drugs and his mind's gone. Everybody in my circle all gone home. I just wanna fade myself sometimes to go home. Y'all still I wanna go to church, but I feel out of place cause I did a lot of wrong and I'm lacking in my faith. But it seems like a place where they gossip and they sin, so I might as well stay in the place that I'm in. I'm far out of reach and my mind's all gone. Even if I pray to God, would he hear my song?
Life goes on, nothing stays the same. Life goes on.
When push come to shove, do I really have friends to depend on? If I got a lot of money, I'ma end slow. And mama used to tell me no friends though, but the Lord got my back to the end, bro. And I don't have a college degree. Mama couldn't buy it all, but she took care of me. No, I didn't get accepted to the Ivy Leagues. I'm saying I don't need a title to define me, but I know a man that hung on Calvary. Reach down and touch a wretch undone like me. Mental status off rhythm like I'm playing off beat. Even with their eyes open, Lord, they still can't see. I couldn't board an airplane just to reach my dreams. When I was young, life ain't all what it seems. But the Lord don't mind using vessels like me. Raised in the church, connected to the streets.
Life goes on, nothing stays the same. Life goes on.
Yeah, I often question why life gotta be so cold. Nobody understands me, no hands to hold. Why my mama have to walk to work freezing in the snow? Will I get a good life like the Huckster Bowes? I believe in the love, you know that I do. But life was so hard, that's why I do what I do. I wanna do right, but I'm covered with grief. My whole family turned their back, so I cling to the streets. I got a couple angels, but I need about 3. See, I wanna go to sleep, but I'm afraid of my dreams. Please, Lord, save me, I just wanna be free. So if you see fit, please come and get me.
Life goes on, nothing stays the same. Life goes on and on and on. Life goes on through heartache and pain. Life goes on. Oh, 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 life goes on.
Look. Okay, we on a new chapter. Nothing is easy in life. They look at you like you an underdog, but you don't see nothing but strife. Okay, do something right. Take my advice. It's easier when you do wrong, but why it's so hard to do right? You gotta focus on your grind. You gotta get into the vibe. You gotta get into the vibe. It's a blessing when you got somebody by your side. I know the reason why. There's consequences when you rip with your soul, fall into a lie. I gotta stay in the vibe. You gotta know when it's right. I get so anxious, your love I'm trying to find. Count it up, I'm thanking God for my blessings, so I gotta count it all joy. I gotta count it. I gotta count it all joy. Stop trying to put all this weight on me. The devil, you know he's straight after my soul. I got a plate on me. I gotta keep eating and talking them good vibes. We really be vibing. We really be vibing. We really be vibing. I'm talking them good vibes. We really be vibing. 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 Good vibes. We be vibing on it. We be vibing on it. We be vibing on it. Talking them good vibes. Blessed up, I'm so blessed up. Got no time to rest up. Play hard, work hard, I just got to get my check up. I pledge allegiance to the blood that Jesus Christ shed on Calvary. I'm too content with no salary. My approach to a hater, not flattery. It got us a plus, amen. If he woke you up, say amen. Toronto, I shoot like I'm Damien. Go nuts on this beat, macadamia. Shout out to all of my folks for God and big up to all of my aliens. Way too much sauce on me, Polynesian. Catch a wave in the Mediterranean. Shout out to all of my aliens. 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 Shout out to all of my aliens.